Hey everyone, welcome back to the quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Trust Wallet with the Pixelverse dashboard in 2025. First things first, let's open the Pixelverse dashboard. Once you're in, look at the top right corner. You should see a wallet icon right next to the question mark. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see several wallet options at the bottom of the screen. Find Trust Wallet and tap on it. The app will then ask if you already have a Trust Wallet account. Of course, you need one to proceed. So tap yes, I have it. Next, we need to grab your USDT ERC20 wallet address from Trust Wallet. Head over to your Trust Wallet and search for USDT. You'll see different options, but we want the USDT on the Ethereum network. Once you found it, tap on it and the top and you'll see USDT ERC20 Ethereum. Now tap on receive to get your crypto addresses. Copy the address and now head back to Pixelverse. In the input area, paste your copied address. Finally, tap on Made It, and just like that, your Trust Wallet is connected. And there you go, your wallet is now linked to Pixelverse. It's simple as you get. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.